Very, very hot. Yeah. Solo mukbang. Chalo, come with me, my friends. Yeah. Hey. See all this. Hey. Hey. Oh. So quick. Okay, let me cut this. Oh, see this. Oh. Dầu đốt mỏ. Hello, let's get started. Today I am here again in the forest and I want to cook something which I have done earlier but I was not successful, so I'm going to give a try again. So I've got a fish. Yeah. Yeah. So this fish I'm going to put inside the bamboo and cook. So I'll mix this for some time. I'm going to mix this. Smash it. Spicy, make it spicy. I'm going to add this. Have washed it properly. See the roots. This is going to enhance. So let me chop this. Roots. Cloudania. All the muscle also will be added. Nang nong do. Abon. Okay. Oh, see this. See, this is my table. It's easier to get it disposed. Jingmu jonga sa jing post new. Hey, nice, enjoyable. Hot. Yeah. See this. Okay. Try it out. It's a next level, okay? Yummy. My dining table. So good. Wow. Bang palat. Seren maram tua ini. Sudah lo deh. Spicy. Thank you everyone for watching. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Please don't forget to share. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you so much everyone. Stay blessed. God bless you. Namaste.